Good afternoon from Grandpa Farm. It's February 15th, 2025, and it's about 4:40. And I'm gonna go water the animals and feed them for the last time tonight. Got quite a bit of snow come down since I was down there last, which was a few hours ago. About 5 hours ago or so. Got everyone fed. Now I'm gonna water. And see, Harold's got his water dish in his house. Dang pig. So, I have a backup. That's good. Yeah, Harold, you wouldn't be so thirsty if you wouldn't dump your water out. So yeah, he's a problem pig. Alright, got all the water topped off. I gotta come back and give these two grain. Oh. It's a little chilly out here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get my valves, water valves down by the barn. Hopefully get them installed by next winter. Because this dragging this hose really isn't too fun. I have to stay down here and let it gravity feed out so it doesn't freeze. Okay, girls are happy. They finally got the grain, so they stopped crying. I did get another egg, so that makes 4 for today. Not great, but it'll leave me breakfast. Got the chores done for today. It's about 30 degrees right now, so it's not too bad. Snow kind of feels a little wet though. Those dang dogs. Hey, always wrestling and playing tug of war. They sound mean, but they're not. Anyway, I'm cold. I'm gonna go in the house. Yeah, I can't wait till spring.